Always low prices at Pahrump Valley Auto Plaza.
2 individuals have been arrested in connection to an attempted murder that occurred in Amargosa Valley over the weekend. Police say that on July 23rd at approximately 8:18 in the morning, an individual by the name of Bryan Santana and his girlfriend, Gaurkee, were at the Fort Amargosa store on Highway 95 in Amargosa. They say that, according to witnesses and surveillance footage, at around 7:30 in the morning, deputies responded to an incident involving a male who they say intentionally drove his SUV into a victim at the Fort Amargosa. They say that the victim sustained significant injuries and was airlifted to a Las Vegas trauma center as a result. The investigation, they say, revealed that the suspect was in a SUV pulled up to the gas station, parking directly in front of the building. The driver of the SUV, identified as Bryan Santana, they say entered the store and began acting bizarre. Santana was sitting in the driver's seat of the vehicle with his girlfriend in the passenger seat. The victim, who they say never met the suspect, saw them and began walking towards the front entrance of the store. At that time, he noticed Santana look and smile at him. As he approached the entrance of the store, Santana is seen backing up on the surveillance footage and then accelerates towards the victim, driving into him and pinning him between the vehicle and the store. Santana, they say, then exits the vehicle, walks away erratically. Gaurkee gets out of the vehicle and gets into the driver's seat and chases Santana around until he gets back into the vehicle. That is at the time that medics and deputies arrived on scene. They placed Santana and Gaurkee under arrest and transported them to the Nye County Sheriff's Office Detention Center. A search warrant was made and granted for the vehicle. During that search, a small plastic bag was found inside their personal belongings. The bag contained many loaded and unloaded hypodermic needles with an unknown black substance and a clear substance, which they say was heroin and methamphetamine. Additional, they found another crystalline substance located inside the same bag. Police say that they were able to get a search warrant for the phone that had a video on it, which they say Santana is seen ranting incoherently and saying goodbye to multiple people, while his girlfriend, Gaurkee, is screaming at him to get into the vehicle and to leave. Gaurkee is facing DUI above the legal limit, possession of a Schedule 1 and 2 controlled substance less than 42 grams, harboring or concealing a felony offender. Bryan Santana is facing charges of attempted murder, DUI above the legal limit, possession of a Schedule 1 and 2 controlled substance less than 42 grams, and a habitual criminal.